Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Academic Bay. I'm Dr. Mohammed Zubair. Today I'm going to tell you what is a political ideology. As we know, political ideologies led to the rise of several states on face of the globe. But clash of political ideologies also resulted in deadly wars. So what really is a political ideology and how did political ideologies evolve? Let's start our today's topic, and if you have not subscribed this channel so far, please subscribe. Political ideologies are not something very old, rather these emerged with the rise of modern state and played the role of alternatives to traditional set of values that originated in religions. The term ideology first appeared during French Revolution to refer to science of ideas. Political ideology can be defined as set of political values held by individuals regarding the fundamental goals of politics. Political ideologies are concerned with the ideal relationship between freedom and equality for all the individuals and the proper role of political institutions in achieving and maintaining this relationship. With the public support in society, these ideologies become institutionalized as basic regime. Some of the major political ideologies are liberalism, communism, social democracy, fascism, and anarchism. For a deeper and broader understanding of political ideologies and their evolution, one needs to understand the circumstances or political history in which people began to cherish for certain political values. 17th and 18th century Europe witnessed monumental historical developments like rise of modern state, industrial revolution, French Revolution, and era of enlightenment. Historical domination of church and traditionalist sensitized individuals to cherish for freedom as a highly desired political value and provided basis for the rise of political ideology of liberalism. However, as the Industrial Revolution got momentum, gap between rich and poor widened that convinced marginalized to dream for equality, and hence the political ideology of modern communism got birth. So it was the existing ground realities that sensitized individuals to prioritize certain political values that determined goals of politics. Freedom and equality was supposed to be achieved for individuals by using state and other political institutions. So the position or status of individual in the arena of politics also got significance. Some political ideologies like fascism cherished state as an end in its own right, while others saw it as a mean and individual as an end. In order to achieve the stipulated values or ends, each political ideology would provide basis for regimes that foster a weaker or a stronger state, free, semi-controlled, or controlled market. Hence would lay the foundations for political economic systems that are being practiced across the globe. As there is no universal political ideology, therefore we see different political economic systems in the world. In a nutshell, these political ideologies have lasting impacts on nation state, their political economic systems, their aspirations, national interest, and of course their competition with other states. Thanks for watching.